for giving me the opportunity. I am Atiur Rahman, Head of Mobile Banking in Mercantile Bank, Bangladesh. Let me share some of our experiences that we have gone through in the last few years. In Bangladesh, we have introduced mobile banking in early 2010. Last 2 years, we have made significant progress in the financial inclusion. At the very beginning, telcos were very aggressive to get themselves involved into the inland remittance business. Usually the courier service used to transfer money around the country, which were illegal, and where telcos get interested into the business. They were almost got the permission from the authority, but in the last moment, the central bank governor embargoed the decision, and it was dictated that it should be a bank-led model, where telcos can be the back-end partner for us. Our market leaders in Bangladesh is bKash and DBBL, which is the pioneer in this market. We have popularized the concept. Our mobile banking is purely a separate entity parallel to core banking operation. Core banking is having their own customers, and our mobile banking operations divisions, we have branded this one as MyCash, just their own customer base. Core banking customers can also be tagged with mobile wallet customers. Since it is primarily targeted for the unbanked population, we made the account opening procedure and KYC pretty simple. And our board is also in a view to establish this as a separate entity or is a subsidiary company of the bank. Let me give you some statistics over there. We have 150 million people, 15% only affiliated with the banking, and 85% is unbanked. But whereas 65% is having mobile phones in their hands. So active mobile phone users is around 7 crores. So to leapfrog the situation, we have targeted those 6.5 crores low-earning mobile users. The mobile users who are earning is lower. Most of them work away from their villages, and they send money to their families very frequently. So to construct our mobile banking platform, it depends on our manpower distribution around the country, to monitor the distribution channel. Second is telco partnership. We are very working closely with our telco partners, and mobile operating platform that we have, and distribution network, which is very vital, and to promote the brand towards the people. And we are involving in operation to provide payments, purchase, and transfer. Our current scenario is for financial inclusion, Central Bank gave permission to 27 banks and some other also in the pipeline. Out of them, 18 have already been launched, this program. Around 125 crore taka transacted every day. Last 6 months, the volume has been doubled. Total agents points is around 85,000 around the country. We are not depending on the branches only. We deploy the agents. bKash is having, the market leader, is 50% of the market share, and the rest of them, other banks is sharing with 50%. Float money is around 500 crore right now, 500 to 550. Our revenue comes from transaction commission and the float money that we have from the customers and the agents, dealers. Central Bank caps our the charging for 2%. I heard yesterday that here it is 3% probably. So our connectivity with the mobile banking platform through IVR, USSD, SMS, web, application for the Android and the iPhones. Our offer services, we call it the products. We have 15 products in our portfolio. We do cash in, cash out, utility payment, person-to-person transfer, fund management, dealer through agent, airtime top-up, sell for the telcos, FMCG collections around the country, ATM withdrawal. Though the wallet holders does not have a core banking account, they can put their PIN in an ATM and withdraw their money from their mobile wallet. We have our own DPS product, remittance from outside the country, end-to-end. I mean, we are working closely with Malaysian companies and also in the Middle East. The workers who work there, they can directly send their money to their villages. And wallet to core banking account and core banking account to the mobile wallet. We can do also the merchant payment, salary disbursement for the corporates, as well as the governments and other sectors, and some others product too. For each of the products, the commission structure is different. To manage the distribution channel, it is the most challenging and expensive. Our structure is, we have our 100 branches around the country, approximately, and we also deploy 150 plus dealers who are under our supervision, but they are authorized to bring the agents who will be our endpoint disbursement authorities. I mean, the structure of our commission is we are charging customers 1.8%. So whereas agents are getting 60% of that and 20% to the dealers for every transaction. And telcos are getting 10% and the banks and our technology partners are sharing 10%. Same type of initiatives are given for the agents and the dealers to acquire the customers. We provide campaign to put deposit at the account opening so that they can, agents, initially deposit with the initial deposit in the account opening, we are encouraging them. Agents can open the account with 2 copies of photos and a valid passport or any other IDs. We also partner with telcos. We are using their managed sell points by which we can get instant agent points. Of course, the sharing will be higher to them. Our government is very much a financial inclusion program. They have 2 programs. One is they have established approximately 4,000 Union Information Service Center across the country, which is a similar of your panchayat concept here probably. We are also tied up with them in different districts of the country. Another government project is called EVP, which is one house, one farm type of concept, which they have cooperative in the villages. They will deposit every month over there through mobile banking, and amongst them, if someone wants to get the loans, and they will be disbursed from this model and they will be repaid also. Banks are participating in these projects too. I believe within a year or 2, the mobile banking platform will bring a change the financial scenario of our country. Thank you.